Hello everybody, my name is Sebastian. I'm working here at Nordson in our Center of Competence in Feldkirchen. Today I want to show you a cool device we have for our robots. It's meant to have, like if you have a needle dispensing on your substrate and you change the needle for your new shift, or if you crash or something, then you need to change the needle, which leads to a position change. So therefore we have a device that automatically changes the program according to a needle change. So this is very useful and very smart thing. So I am going to show you that. So in case I want to change the needle because of it's clogged, it's crashed or something, fill it. So now the needle is back in position. Now I need to verify the position by the needle detect sensor, and this one is the button in the software. So it moves down to the device and check the position. And here we go. I have a change of 0.5 millimeters, which is, let's say, not that small. That change, if you don't correct this in your program, you will have different dot sizes. The lines will not maybe in that shape you want to have it. So it's important. I agree with that. The next step is the system will check the X and Y position. And then again I get a, let's say it's information for me as an operator. I can agree on it. And now I can get back on the dispensing on my customer part, because the needle is on the right position. So that's a good tool.